Dorbar Synrai ke yang dua tahu ai ke jelam kerja kan ne san sengi kenti ke ban sedang nandu ke pratrik bat kan kod kratrik nai lur ajar absan. Habakren hadin bawai ke business advisory committee unong yalam keling persya bedai ru khot jangga ni ke komiti Dr. Mukul sang ma laong bawa la ke Dorbar ke long ke balengkot Synrai ke khot ka yeng kin sara sibun kimat ke bakta ai ke jela. Ulang bakat tu kan ni gimat berabu Ahmad Banra kum kaling persya bad Iakren ni Paralok nagaseng Voice of the People's Party ban pe ya ka ke badai Banra hapo Dorbar kat kum kejing ong Dr. Mukul kejing keduk kam keduk jam kejing la siliang i kam penroi kejing ko katanat ko je kia kum ju katanat puli puti berkiwe katanat ke sukajela kindai gimat ke bakongsan ma hakani ke Dorbar Dr. Mukul ong ba unra ru ikamat haro kejing jong ke karohis atau council hakaba saupu abanai kenti kimpat yo tulop na kejing la kuman ke sukajela ula kenta ru kejing kendok birang ba kajela ko na kesang ma halo ke GHADC da ke baong bakat kum ke stik sidel kedai kamram ke sukajela ba ke sukal pedeng ban pe ye kejing jong dis council me khaya nai kejing kenta yum birang ba kedai kejing ya ilai ya kejing kit kli kat kum gertis sia kari la pengkedau bakal yang sesia kadon san puwe ngut ke MLA kat bakal yang persya kadon tang kendai ngut kentup san ngut na ke TMC bat sau ngut na ke VPP kal yang sesia kadon ke UDP kal arngut HSPDP bat BJP mar arngut independen arngut bat ke NPP live ngut ke MLA.
Business Advisory Committee unanimously decided and agreed upon the proposed calendar, wherein we will have 3 days government business and 2 days are for the private members' business. And another important aspect of the decision arrived at by the Business Advisory Committee is that on the day when the demands for grants or demand for supplementary demands will be placed, then as per the relevant rules of procedure and conduct of business, that particular day till 2 o'clock on the weekdays and till 12 o'clock on Friday shall be exclusively utilized for passing of the demands. So that was what was discussed. And then in this short, it's a 5 days autumn session. Though it is 5 days, I believe that honorable members of the August House can definitely flag the issues confronting the state and then confronting the people of the state. There are quite a number of sensitive and crucial issues which are there before us, and we will be taking up those issues appropriately. Few issues have been already shortlisted by us as far as the opposition is concerned. As far as my political party is concerned, I'll be discussing it with my other friends from the opposition, the members of other party, BPP, and then we will see how we coordinate in the assembly. Issues confronting us are mainly being focused on the problem of unemployment, and then irregularities in respect of various implementation of developmental programs, and also issues pertaining to social sector, which is specifically in respect to education and health. We all know the challenges that is confronting us in respect of the quality and accessible education. Also in respect of healthcare facilities, it is only appropriate that we take this core social sector in as far as the felt deficiencies are concerned. And at the same time, we have a serious issue which is confronting us in respect of the insensitivity with which the government is handling in as far as the problem of the autonomous district councils are concerned, and Gavil's autonomous district council in particular. We are all aware that employees are still agitating, and there has been no response whatsoever. Rather, the response from the government has been quite, I must say, reflective of their lack of concern and reflective of the insensitivity with which they are dealing this crucial issue.